Yes, it's a bee.
Our crazy dog playing with a bee. And she's not much bigger than a bee.
I'm gonna go closer.
Candy, what are you doing? Candy! It's dead now. You killed it. Is it dead? Did you get sting? No? Ah! Get it! Get it! Get it! Where is it? The killer dog. Attack. Okay, go take a picture.